Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Fashion Star Gold. In this tutorial I want to show you guys how to shape the back of the skirt, how to shape the back of either basic skirt or 6-piece skirt, 8-piece skirt, any skirt that you come by or any skirt that you come across. How to shape the back of the skirt after cutting it. When you want to sew, you sew it well. At times you see some skirts will not be shapy. They don't know what to do. But in this tutorial I want to show you how to shape the back of the skirt. So I've shown you how to measure. You can check out a video, click on the link for you to get to the measurement of the basic skirt. So this one is just the shaping of the back skirt. So this is a zipper. The zipper from the waist to the hip is 9 inches. You place your zip here, place it like so. From the hip line, you come down by 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches. Look at where this line stops. This is a slit line. It stops this way. Stop at 7 inches. So you mark the 7 inches. Then you can come in by 1 inch from this line. Remember, this is a zipper. This is a zipper. You can come in by 1 inch. Can come in by 1.5 inch. And come in by 1.5 inch here. Can come in by 1 inch. So this is how to do it. This is how to measure it. So I'm connecting from here, from the hip line to this 1.5 inches. Watch it very well. Your sewing will start from here and stop here. That's where the sewing will stop. You can likewise connect it to this 1 inch. You start to sew from here, from the hip line here to the 1 inch. So remember, this is a zipper allowance and this allowance for the slits. If you are stopping at 1.5 inch here, you now measure 3 inches from here. Please watch it carefully. You measure, remember this is 3 inches allowance. Measure the 3 inches from this 1.5 inch or 1 inch. So I'm measuring 1, 2, 3. That is 3 inches. So the sewing, remember that there will be a zip here. This is a zipper allowance. You sew your zip from here to here. Then from here sew from here this way, or you sew from here, stop here. This is your 3 inches, the 3 inches from this allowance here. That is, if you are taking from here, you stop here. If you are taking from this 1 inch, you stop here. Then trim or cut this way. Cut it this way. Cut it this way. If you want your skirt to be shapy, cut it this way. So this is allowance, sewing allowance, or you can put more allowance. Can take from here, can take like 1 inch allowance, but remember you have pushed the allowance inside. So this is how it's going to look like. So I want to fold it in. This is the paper, cannot really come out well. So this is how it's going to look like. This is the zipper for the zip. This is the zipper. That is the where you will sew from here to here, for you to have that shapy back. For the back to be shapy, this is the sewing. This is how it's going to look like. So this is zip. You put the zip this way, then put your hand this way, stop here, sew it from here and stop here, then sew this side. Is the slit. When you finish, you'll see how the skirt will look like. So thank you so much. I hope my tutorial is helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I have other channels on fashion. Check out any style that you want to sew. I have like off-shoulder blouse styles, style for men, style for women, for boys, for girls. So check out any style you want to sew. Get it from there and sew. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't waste time. Don't just watch and go away. Thank you so much. Bye. I love you guys.